Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlene for any of you who are new here. For today's video, you guys can see I've got sleek straight hair, which is something you guys don't see on my channel too often, but a lot of you guys have been asking me for different hairstyles or just for me to style my hair differently. So I wanted to share this beautiful, long, straight, sleek hair. This is my natural hair. I do not have any extensions by any means, but I am mostly going to be sharing the Panasonic Nano E flat iron and styling iron, which is what I have right here. You guys will see this throughout the video. This is sponsored by Panasonic, but this is what I use to style my hair to make it look straight like this, make it look so pretty. So hopefully you guys do end up enjoying the video. Let me set that down. If you guys do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let's start the video. So let's start with the lion's den. Honestly, it looks like I made my hair extra messy to look like extra crazy, but this is what it looks like after I showered. I went to the gym this morning, I showered, and I did my makeup and got ready. So it's been about an hour, hour and a half since I showered, which is why it is like 75% dry. I'm gonna show you guys the few products that I use, but as I mentioned in the intro, the main star of the show is this guy right here. So you guys will see how much more sleek and shiny and beautiful and smooth my hair looks once I use this. So you guys have also seen, like on my Instagram and stuff, I've been posting a lot more pictures with straight hair because I don't know, it's been something that I love curling my hair, and then every time I straighten it, I'm like, do I love it? I don't know. And then you guys leave me the sweetest comments and it makes me love my hair all over again. So yeah, let's not ramble too much. Let's start with the actual tutorial. So I always use the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In plus Keratin. So I just spray this all over my hair that's pretty damp still. Just distribute it evenly. This is something that I've been using for years, like probably 5 or 6 years, ever since I discovered it, and my hairstylist also uses it on me, so makes me feel like I'm doing the right thing. She tells me to use it all the time, so I do use it every time I wash my hair. Okay, now I'm just going to take my paddle brush. I always just use a simple paddle brush. Just gonna take my blow dryer and just run it through. Literally super simple, easy, nothing fancy or difficult or anything like that. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. All right, we're looking a lot better, a lot more human-like, but my hair could still look 10 times better. I promise it'll look 10 times better. So on my lap, I have the Panasonic Nano E flat iron and styling iron. So basically it has a Nano E technology, which is going to lock in moisture into your hair. It's also going to distribute the heat evenly when you're going through it. And then it also has ceramic plates. So it's super awesome. I freaking love this thing. You can find it at Target. I will have a link down below so you guys can like shop directly and go directly to the site. I'm going to just quickly brush my hair through before I start running the flat iron through it. Okay, I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair off. I usually end up doing like 3 or 4 sections, and this is the hairstyle that I go to if I'm in a rush or if I just am being lazy and I know it's gonna be really fast, because straightening my hair is the quickest thing, especially with this straightener, like I said. So I'm gonna turn it on and you guys will see that it heats up in 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, it will be completely hot, and it does have 5 heat settings on the inside. Let me turn it on. All right, it's on. And I like to turn mine up to either the 4th or the 5th heat setting, which is 365 or 395. Also, another super cool thing about it, it has this rounded edge right here. So if you wanted to actually like curl your hair with it, I know a lot of people like to do that, then that's great for that as well. So it doesn't have to be just a hair straightener or a flat iron. That's why it's also a styling iron. So 30 seconds, I'll be ready to start straightening my hair and show you guys like how sleek and vibrant and pretty it looks. Has it been 30 seconds? All right, it's hot and ready to go. I'm gonna start running the straightener through my hair, and you guys will see how much like more sleek and smooth it looks, and literally just like one swipe. Now the other side, this is seriously so fast. You guys can also see it doesn't tug at my hair. That's the other thing with a lot of straighteners, is I feel like they tug at your hair, then it makes it super uncomfortable. And then on top of that, I know this is really random, but it has this little divot right here, so it's gonna be comfortable in your hand, so you can place your thumb right there and just hold it simply and easily. So honestly, like, this thing is freaking amazing. I love it. So look how fast that was. This so fast, so fast. That's seriously one of the reasons why I love it. It's also super travel friendly, so it has universal voltage if you were traveling somewhere. I'm actually going to Spain in a few weeks, and this is exactly what I'll be bringing with me, because I'll know that I can use it there. And it even turns off after 60 minutes if you just like forget it and like leave it lying around. I know I've done that a million times, and that can't be good. That can't be good. So I'm glad it just turns off by itself after 60 minutes. Okay, do you guys see like how fast I'm doing this? I should probably really like look in the mirror. I'm gonna burn myself. So then bring down the next section. All right, onto the last section. Bring this hair down. See how it looks just like frizzy and just not smooth at all? The straightener really allows me to like get in the roots and get every last strand of hair. Alright guys, and just like that, my hair is done. It looks so sleek and vibrant and smooth and just shiny. It looks so much healthier just after straightening my hair. So the last thing I do is I'll add a little bit of hairspray. I don't always do this, but just on the days when I feel like I want my hair to really stay like this, I'll just spray a tiny bit, honestly, like literally the tiniest little bit. And that's just so that it stays in place. Also, sometimes I like to add a little volume in my roots, so I'll just kind of fluff it up and I'll add a little hairspray. Sometimes I'll even add a little texture spray if I don't want it to look super flat, but I do like how like smooth it all looks, but just around my roots, I like to add a little bit of volume. But yeah, that is everything for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful, and hopefully you guys will check out this flat iron if you guys are interested. Like I said, the link will be down below. Follow me on all of my social media. It's my first and last name. Make sure you guys are subscribed. That's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.